So Nidrâ is a Sanskrit term that has evolved through time. So through time it has changed its meaning. We discovered that one of the very first meaning was to pass through darkness or through the night, which shouldn't be understood only this period from sunset to sunrise, but also through our darkness, to go through our darkness. And the later meaning it describes a state where what they call in India Shiva, which has to be understood as consciousness, not this funny character with funny dresses and all this. So it means it is the state of consciousness into which there is no division. Then later on it was understood in the Indian mythology that it is a state of what they call Shiva. Another later meaning was sleeping, like when you go for a nap or at night. And it also meant in the daytime when we are not aware and we are kind of in a sleepy state, not sleeping but sleepy. So it has all those different meanings. And when it comes to yoga, it is about this state of the consciousness when there is no division anymore. Then the aim, when it was called Nidrâ Yoga, yoga is a path, we could say it's a path, a way. It also means the state of unity. It has two meanings, the state of unity and the path going to that state. So if we take it as this second meaning, the path going to unity, Nidrâ Yoga is a whole quite complicated, sophisticated system that leads from, as they say traditionally in India, from darkness to light, or from division to unity, or from fragmentation to oneness. And so it is the aim of it. And we always have this difficulty with Indian words, because, especially with this one, because they both mean the process and the goal. So according to the way we look at them and the context of the texts, sometimes it means the path to follow, and sometimes it means the goal to reach. So the path is from, once again, duality to unity, and the goal is perceiving that state of unity. Now, practically into this path, there are many what I call side effects, which are very practical things, because it is built on two main processes. One is deepening, going deeper and deeper into states of relaxations. So one of the side effects of relaxation is, of course, that it brings a lot of relaxation within what we call the physical body. There is muscles, organs, even the bones. And also relaxation into the mind processes. This is relaxing the mind, getting rid of stress, for example. And it's really, really efficient. And the second type of side effects is on the mind itself. It brings a lot of ability to concentrate without tension, which is again something that has become very important for contemporary people today, to be simultaneously relaxed and concentrate. So these are the main side practical effects. which are, they come very quickly. After half an hour, they're here. Then the second step is when we link together these states of concentration and this level of relaxation. They bring a sensation of togetherness, being complete, no more divided. And that comes in the second time. About the content of this seminar, Nidrâ Yoga seminar, it is called the 3 levels of relaxation and the 3 degrees of concentration. So it is again learning to relax the very basic physical aspect, that is to completely relax the body, that is the muscles, the organs, nervous system, and simultaneously to develop degrees of concentration. We have 3 degrees and without tensions. For this we use rhythm of relaxation, we use images, we also use something called svadhyaya, which means understanding some very basic psychological processes, how we manage with our psychological processes, and trying to tickle them clearly. And the moment we do that, it brings a sudden state, very deep sudden state of relaxation, and of course it is going with concentration too. It will also be about developing the quantity and the quality of vitality, what people call energy. So we have an exercise which lasts about 90 minutes, about breathing, to develop a big quantity of energy that helps a lot for not falling asleep in relaxation or not getting tired in concentration. And the last part is about understanding some patterns that are kind of keeping us engelled in processes, in relationships. So by relaxing those, then being clearly concentrated upon them and having an extra quantity of energy, it sometimes really radically changes the perception of ourselves, that is not being divided anymore into pieces, and also the perception of the relationships. Relationships are made for being together. So the whole session is about it. This is the very basic practice of Nidrâ. And the side effects are a lot of relaxation. We have noticed that 20 minutes of Nidrâ equals 3 hours of deep sleep, which is so amazing, which means 1 hour is 1 full night. And that was studied scientifically. It's difficult to stay 1 hour totally relaxed. Very often people go to sleep from 1 minute or 2 minutes. And also it brings a lot of togetherness. People are very close together. It's quite a joyful program. Not in the sense that people are very excited, but this quiet happiness flourishing. So that's more or less the program of the whole introductive
sending out.